If you're seeing a GIMP server error, a Microsoft Store download block, or GIMP refusing to start properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes step by step. This is especially useful if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and GIMP is giving you installation errors, server connection errors, or weird startup problems after an update. Before we begin, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it takes just a second. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the most common issue. As of the recent Windows distribution changes, the Microsoft Store version of GIMP is no longer the best option for every system. If you're using Windows 10, the store build may now target Windows 11 only, which means trying to install or update GIMP from the store can trigger a server error, a download error, or a failed installation message. If that happens, the safest fix is to stop using the store version and instead download the classic standalone installer directly from the official GIMP download page. That installer is designed to work properly on supported systems and avoids the Microsoft Store connection issues completely. So, if the store is giving you trouble, open your browser and go to the official GIMP website. Look for the Windows download section and choose the standard.exe installer. Save the file, run it, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. In many cases, this alone fixes the server error because you're no longer depending on the store's network, account, or update system. Now, if you're on Windows 11 and the store version should work, but you're still getting a download or server block, the next fix is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. This can clear out hidden network hangs and stuck download data that often cause install failures. To do that, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type Wsreset.exe, then press enter. You'll usually see a blank command window for a moment while the store cache is cleared. Once it finishes, the Microsoft Store should reopen automatically. After that, try the GIMP download or update again and see if the error is gone. If the problem continues even after resetting the store, the next thing to check is your AppData settings folder. Older GIMP installations can leave behind broken profiles, damaged plugins, or outdated settings that interfere with the new version. This can cause startup errors, local host communication problems, or a server-style message when GIMP tries to open. To fix that, press Windows key and R again, type %appdata% and press enter. This will open your roaming AppData folder. Inside here, look for a folder named GIMP. Once you find it, you have two safe options. You can rename it to GIMP Backup, or you can delete it completely if you don't need the old settings. Renaming is usually the safer choice because it preserves a backup in case you want to restore anything later. After you rename or remove that folder, launch GIMP again. The program will automatically create a fresh new profile with clean settings the next time it starts. This often resolves startup bugs, broken preferences, and server communication errors because GIMP is no longer trying to load corrupted old data. If you're still having issues after that, double check that you're using the correct version of GIMP for your version of Windows. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, your antivirus isn't blocking the installer, and the Microsoft Store is fully updated if you're using the store method. Sometimes a temporary connection issue can look like a GIMP problem when it's actually a Windows download problem. So to quickly recap, if you get a GIMP server error, first switch Windows 10 users to the official standalone installer, then reset the Microsoft Store with Wsreset.exe if you're on Windows 11, and finally clear the GIMP folder inside AppData to remove corrupted settings. Those three steps solve the most common causes of this issue and usually get GIMP working again fast. If this tutorial helped you fix the GIMP server error, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step PC and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.